This is the Shoulder Maintenance Program, Healing with Movement. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Let's start off with our warm-up for the shoulders. These are called elastic arm circles. What you're doing is you're generating the circle with your knees, doing that little semi-squat action. You want your arm and your shoulder to stay loose. You want to try to train this elastic quality within the shoulder girdle. You'll see with all these different clips how I'm doing the circle in all different directions. Up next, we're going to actively go in and out of all four shoulder positions. That is protraction, this is retraction. Now we have elevation and depression. Spend some time doing this. It's really good for the shoulders to get some synovial fluid, as well as these shoulder circles. Click on the link up above for a more detailed description on how to do this pattern. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to learn more ways to incorporate exercise or movement into your everyday life. Now that our shoulders are properly warmed up, we're going to go into some elevation and depression with slight resistance. You can also do this with light dumbbells in your hand, or you can be upside down doing it against a wall. You want to hold at the top for 2 seconds and then depress at the bottom for 2 seconds. Another great strengthening exercise is this lateral raise to 45 degrees. You can also do this with weights. On the top clip, I'm lying down on the ground on my side, and I'm picking up the weight about the same amount, just to about 45 degrees. I'm exhaling on the way out, and I'm going nice and slow on the way back. This is external rotation. With this one here, you want to make sure that you're keeping your elbow close to your body the entire time. The second clip up above shows you how to do this with weights as well. Once again, you're going to exhale as the weight travels up or away from you, and you want to go nice and slow on the way back. That is the eccentric portion of your movement, and that's where you want to spend most of the time. Finally, we have passive hanging. You want to take as much time every day just to get into this hanging position, and that is going to do wonders for your shoulders. If you take anything out of this video, it is this: get hanging. Once you get better at that, you can also go into elevation and depression of the shoulders while in a hanging position. Guys, make sure you check the description down below for information on online movement coaching. Watch the videos that are on the screen up above to learn more ways to incorporate exercise and movement into your everyday life. As always, this is Joey saying be kind to one another and move well. Peace.